Hey guys, Mike the Pan Man with Towncraft Cookware here. Mike, not Chef Mike, with Towncraft, MikeThePanMan.com. I want to show you one of my favorite recipes. I don't know where I came up with this, but I'm going to show it to you. It's going to be, you're really going to love it. You try it at home. Got my electric skillet here preheated to 350. And right here I've got onions, peppers, and mushrooms, okay? This is going to be a great recipe. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. And the first thing we're going to do is saute these, right? And we'll leave those on for a few minutes. You bring it up here, back. We'll leave those on for a few minutes, and then we'll come back, show you the next step. Okay, next step. Hey, Deb told me, she's my producer and my filmmaker back here. Say hi, babe.
Hey.
Hey, she told me, hey, if they didn't own Towncraft and they could smell that, they'd order it. So we just blanched those. Okay, we just got them together, and I realized while I was doing that I am way overloading this pan. So I just got them out. The next step we're going to do, we're going to brown some pieces of chicken. Okay, all we did was cut those up into little nuggets and season them. Okay, so when we get through with those. Right? When we get through browning these, we're going to do 14 ounces of smoked sausage. And so I put those out, put the meat in, we're going to brown it. We're going to brown the smoked sausage, and we'll be right back. Debbie's telling me that I forget to tell people that I'm doing sauteing this stuff in a little bit of olive oil, okay? So I browned the chicken. Of course, I browned the vegetables, took them out. I browned the chicken, took them out. Browned the sausage. So we're just going to put them back together, okay? Put them back together. And then on top of that, just stay here, babe. On top of that, we're going to do some yellow rice, okay? One of my favorites. This is, I love to do this recipe, and my kids and Debbie have always loved it. Again, I don't know how I came up with it, but we're just going to put that in. We're going to pour some of this water in. It's actually not water, by the way. It's chicken broth, okay? It calls for you to add water to the rice, but I add chicken broth. And as I told you earlier, I realized that I've got too much for the electric skillet to do all at once, so I'm just going to go ahead and start a 2-quart full of this too. And we'll show it to you when it's done. In the meantime, I'm going to wash dishes. Okay, this should be done. All right, I'm going to check it out. Oh yeah, that looks great. Except the rice is not yellow. It said yellow rice. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to tell you, this is really, really a great meal here. It's got a lot of vegetables in it. And you may want to cook it a little bit drier. Let's look at the one in the 2-quart, what was left over in the 2-quart. Yeah, that looks great. And so however you like it, give it a try. If you like this recipe, hope you do. We do. I love it with Townhouse crackers. Just that little bit extra salt. But anyway, God bless you. I hope you enjoyed it. And if we can answer any questions for you, please ask.